Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are
Grassroots Living.
And this is how we live our love. Hi friends, we are so glad you're with us again today. We always love seeing your beautiful smiling faces. We wish we could actually see their beautiful.
That would be cool.
Courtside, that's what courtside's for. It is hot today. Look, my face is red. The fan is on. It's just a thing. It's hecka hot. We're in the Midwest and it's hot, but
Humid.
Yeah. Hot and humid. Ugh. I'm glad you guys love me just the way I am, because it's a rough day. Hey, listen, it's hot here, but in Canada it's cooler, and we are taking you to Canada today. Yeah, so we went to Canada actually last summer, and we're going to share some of that with you today. We have friends that watch us that live in Japan and like Western Canada and Australia.
Philippines.
Yes. I don't know if we have any friends that live in Eastern Canada, but if you're one of our friends that live in Eastern Canada, please make comments about this video, because there's things that we were wondering about that we just don't know. So maybe they like that lake.
I know Justin and Christine.
Do they live in Eastern Canada?
Do, yes.
Oh, we got to hook up with those guys. Okay. Okay, so first let's talk about why we went to Canada. 20 some years ago, we had a foreign exchange student from
Quebec.
And it's been over 20 years, nearly 30, and we went to visit her. How random and fun is that? And in her backyard is a lake. The lake is in her backyard. Okay, this is why you have foreign exchange students. Okay, so you can go visit them and have an awesome place to stay. No, foreign exchange students are fun. We've had 4. They were awesome. Meg was awesome. Amazing. Yeah. We love her. The lake that was in her backyard is Lake
Temiskaming.
We'll put it across the screen, because I don't know if we're saying it right. That's one of the things I was like, if we have friends in Eastern Canada, they need to like tell us how to say this properly, because we're probably butchering it. Well,
and hopefully Justin and Christine will, if I said it wrong, or even if I said it right, drop a little comment. Say, yes, you did, or no, you're way off.
Yeah. So anyway, I know that there's like a ton of different kinds of fish in this lake. You
like
can
30
go
different types.
Fishing. We'd like to go back up. They invited us to come back up during the winter and go ice fishing, which is something we've never done. So we might do that. I'm talking too much again. Sorry.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Then we went over to this fabulous little museum. It was like a logging.
Yeah.
You want to tell them about that?
So this particular place, it's about, I want to say, a 5-hour drive northwest of Montreal. So it's way up, I guess you could say, in the northern part of Quebec. And there was a big logging area up into there. So I guess they'd cut down all the logs, they'd throw them into the lake. The lake would eventually flow down towards a river, which would send it farther south into the more populated areas. And this little museum that we went to was one of these logging areas.
Yeah, there was a ship that we got to, like a big boat that we got to tour that moved the logs.
d'être venu visiter notre musée. Donc, on vous attend.
Attention, elle va faire le bruit.
Then we actually went to like another museum type thing that was the actual logging camp where the people stayed.
Yeah, I can't even imagine what it would be like to be there in that cold, intense cold winter.
Right now, I'd like to be there still. But as wimpy as I am with heat, I'm worse with cold.
Yeah.
My sister says I'm a princess. I don't think. I'm fragile. I have a comfort level between about 71 and 74.
I don't think it's that big of a range.
It's a rocky road, this Pilgrim Trail. Pilgrim Trail, Pilgrim Trail, Pilgrim Trail, Pilgrim Trail. Let's meet up down the Pilgrim Trail. For a sail, like every campfire needs a tale. We're on this freight train going down the rail. Together on this Pilgrim Trail. Pilgrim Trail, Pilgrim Trail. Every singer needs a song. Every bell cries out to be around. Every dog wanna wag its tail. Life ain't nothing but a Pilgrim Trail. Every message needs a dove, and everything grows with a drop of love. We're all hanging on tooth and nail. It's a rocky road, this Pilgrim Trail. Pilgrim Trail, Pilgrim Trail. Let's meet up down the Pilgrim Trail.
The ship was fabulous. The lake was fabulous. The logging camp was fabulous. If you have a chance to make it up there, do those things. If not, look for things in your area that you can get out and do and explore. I know that we're still in this coronavirus weird thing where some of us are in, some of us are putting our toe in the water a little bit, some of us don't care and we're doing whatever the heck we want. But even if you want to do crazy things, a lot of things are closed. But find some adventures. Let's all have some adventures.
Right.
So today we'll just take you to Canada. I wish we could cross the border. We can't even cross the border right now. Anyway, what
we
else?
love the Canadian people.
We loved Canada. We're going back. We're supposed to be there. We were supposed to go there this summer. You know, the Rona next
way to
summer.
Alaska?
We'll
Yeah.
be there. Then Dean, after we were done, we went and got something to eat. And Dean actually ordered poutine and our whole meal in French. Yeah, and then we got flavored soft ice cream. I never even heard of such a thing, but apparently that's in the United States now too, and I never even heard of it. It's not made its way to the Midwest or West yet. It's just out east, as far as I know. Am I talking too much again?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're actually done for today. We just wanted to pop up to Canada for a minute. We're glad you guys came with us. Thank you. We love you. If you like this video, subscribe, like, subscribe, share. Okay, guys, we will see you next Tuesday. We love you. Until then, are we done?
Huh?
This is Grassroots Living, reminding you that even in these crazy times, you need to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you, and we'll catch you next time.
Peace out.